Thank you, Laura. Coffee is one of the world's largest commodities. The coffee shop industry in the U.S. alone includes over 20,000 stores with a combined annual revenue of about $11 billion. This means that America not only loves their coffee, they need their coffee. We're talking about an industry that isn't ever going to change, and the consumers are just going to keep coming back for more. And that is the first obvious reason as to why corporate coffee shops dominate in the coffee industry, including places such as Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, Dutch Bros, Peet's, so on and so forth. Today I want to talk to you guys about why choosing a mainstream coffee shop can benefit you over choosing a local coffee shop. First and foremost, corporate coffee shops are super convenient because they're usually located on every corner, which I'm sure we can all relate to. This means that they are very easy to access. They are usually very big and spacious. They have outlets all over. They make their lobby very welcoming and comfortable for their consumers, allowing people to stay all day to get work done, to get homework done, to meet friends for coffee, or even just to enjoy some alone time with a book. Are you ever in an extreme time crunch, but you're also not willing to give up your daily cup of coffee? I know I am. The good news is corporate coffee shops make getting your coffee quick and easy. Less craft time does make your coffee a little bit more generic, but it also makes it cheaper, which is another positive. And honestly, it is still pretty high quality coffee for what it is, and they are also willing to usually accommodate to any of your dietary restrictions or needs. Corporate coffee shops make it easy to choose them over anybody else through their competition. This means that they're able to compete with other top brand coffee shops through things like loyalty programs, special offers. They are able to ensure outstanding service and a wonderful environment. And to top it all off, they usually are able to land premium locations such as retail centers and university campuses, making it super easy for us to get to them. The bottom line is, if you're looking for a generic but quality cup of coffee and you want your coffee made quick and cheap and you're not super picky and you just kind of need to get going, the corporate coffee shop is the correct choice for you. And now, on the opposite end of the spectrum, Cass is going to tell you why local coffee shops are another great option. Cass, I'll hand the cup off to you.